In a bright green jungle, Leo the little lion loved playing with his friends. Let's play together! Where is Sunny? The flowers are sad.
We must find the sun.
I thought nobody needed my light. Sunny, everyone needs you. Even a little light can make the world happy. Wake up, Sunny!
Sunny smiled and the whole jungle became bright again.